Good morning. Happy first day of the semester. I'm so excited to work with all of you. I know it's difficult because we are in a completely virtual environment in this class. So I wanted to walk you just through what you should be kind of doing these next couple of days, making sure that you know how to get onto your textbook, and that you understand how the course is set up. So anytime I send you an announcement, it will come in as an email as well. And once you log on to our course page, you'll see the announcements here in the center. You want to make sure that you read college policies and resources and that you look at my welcome video and my bio. It just tells you a little bit about me and who I am. This is how you can connect with me, and then there's a how to navigate the course video, which is, oops, sorry, very similar to this, but I just wanted to get you started off on the right foot. You should, as soon as possible, click on the start here and watch the netiquette video, the course syllabus, okay, what's next. There's another navigating the course video here, okay, and then course content. In course content, the pre-unit one will give you some background on what we offer you here as a student in Hartford and what you'll be working on the online platform called Connect. So in order to get you set up for Connect, what I'd like you to do is come in and click on Unit 1. You don't have to do this assignment. It just will launch the Connect for you. Scroll all the way down. There's a Unit 1 Connect. Sorry, I don't know if I can show it to you on the screen recording. Let's see. There we go. Okay. So at the bottom, Unit 1 Connect assignments. When you click on that, you'll see one assignment listed in, and you want to click on it, and it will launch you to Connect, where you will put your information in and register for the course. That's all. You don't actually have to do this. But clicking on this Unit 1 Connect assignment will launch you to Connect, where you can register. And in Connect, you'll be able to see the textbook. There is an app, and I'll be sure to link it over here in the menu, that you can download the app to your phone or to your computer and have access to read the textbook wherever you are. So please make sure you work through those, get yourself connected to Connect, watch the video, do the start here, work through that, and then course content. Okay. Unit 1 is a short unit, so you want to make sure that you know the due dates for your units and that you're planning accordingly. The calendar is listed under calendar. There's also due dates on your syllabus. Okay. So there are a handful of assignments that are due for Friday, a short journal, and a couple of chapter 1 assignments. So you want to make sure that you are working on those, as much as you can. Okay. My student office hours are listed here that you can access as well. If you click on it, you'll be able to highlight and copy the description and put it in a new browser window and join. You can stay for as little or as long as you need. But you want to make sure that you get these assignments done by the due date. Unit 1 is fast. Unit 2 extends from the end of this month, let me pull up the syllabus, to March 5th. Okay. So what I would do if I was you, let me go back in, is I would go to the course content, because that's where everything for this course is. Unit 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 modules. It has a unit on annotations. It has an in-class success lesson unit. There's a writing project, and then there's Connect assignments integrated throughout all of these. So let's say you have 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 modules. Okay, the connects are embedded throughout. So if you have a month and 5 days to do 8 modules, you probably want to do the math to see how many days you can spend on each module and then plan accordingly. Um, if you have a Google Calendar, let me pull mine up so you can see. You can share your Google Calendar. It's awesome with people in your whoever you share it with, and so you know what other people's schedules are. You can add all of my virtual office hours in on your Google Calendar. You can figure out what you want to work on when you want to work on it. So let's say you have 5, 10, 15, 20, you have 25 days to work on those 8 modules. One of the modules is a writing assignment, so that's going to take you a couple of days to work through if you're following the writing process. So 8 modules, 25. So you have what, 3 days per module max? Okay. And if you look at the modules, inside the modules, there's a different amount of assignments to work on. They tell you at the top what the objective is and what you need to do to complete that objective. And then the videos, the lectures, the assignments are all listed down below. I have numerous amount of office hours this week to make sure everybody is where they need to be and on the right track. You do not have to come to them, but I strongly encourage it. Like I have office hours tomorrow and Tuesday. And then if I see that I'm getting a lot of emails, I'll put one in for later this week as well. So feel free to email me if you have any questions. Come to my office hours if you have any questions. Um, if you need help getting logged on to Connect, whatever it might be. But I wish you just all the best of luck this semester. And I am here to help you in whatever way I can. So don't hesitate to reach out to me. All right, I hope to see you soon.